Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using Everything Festive, and this is the Halloween card we're making. Let's get started. Okay, so we are using Everything Festive, and this is going to be available September 4th in my online store. The link is in the YouTube description below. I love this set because it's got Halloween, Valentine's Day, New Year's, Christmas. It's very versatile. I would recommend scooping that up. All right, so I have a piece of regular paper and a piece of basic gray, and I'm going to run my embossing buddy across it. And of course, we're making a Halloween card. We're going to be using no tricks, just treats. And I absolutely love the black embossing powder. So that is what we are doing. I have this mounted on clear block D. So let's just try not to make a mess. Oh, I just love that black embossing powder. It just makes everything pop. And I love Halloween. It is my youngest child's birthday, Zeta. So it's a big deal at our house. I'm going to come in with my heat tool. All right, so we are finished with our embossing. I'm going to bring this up closer. You can take a good look at it. See how it shines in the light there? All right, I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And I have the third largest from the layering circles, and the second largest, and this is the black foil sheet. I just love that. I love black anyway, but I'm not morbid or anything. I think it's flattering on me. And it goes well with Halloween. All right, I'll put this stuff aside. I got some real treats for y'all. No tricks, just treats. We're going to put this down with some SNAIL adhesive. All right, that looks good there. Now, our card base is basic gray, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. I have a piece of basic black, and this is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. And then I have the Monster Bash Designer Series paper. This is cut at 3 3/4 by 5. Let me go ahead and show you this paper really quick. It is gorgeous. So it's got some scary library books, little potions, little haunted houses, mazes, bats, and like the mask type deals, little frames, old newspaper. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? And that is the back side of these spider webs that we are using today. I absolutely love that suite all together. I'm going to put this down onto our mat with some SNAIL adhesive. So, just like that. Also from the Monster Bash suite, or the Spooktacular Bash, I have the scalloped ribbon. So, let's just cut a piece here. Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I love it, love it, love it. Let's see. Is that gonna work? Yes, it is. All right, so I'm gonna put this down with some regular tape. It's just easier to use the tape, and you don't waste a whole lot of it. You have a lot of different cards that you're making the same of or something, you know, you don't want to use it all. All right, put our mat down, put some SNAIL. Can y'all hear the thunder outside? It's gonna start raining. All right, so get ready to get blown away. Look what we have here. Black Stampin' Dimensionals. You guys know that I love my Stampin' Dimensionals. And now, for Halloween time, they're available in black. And they come in the regular size dimensionals and the minis all in the same package here. So you get 2 of each. You get 2 regular and then the 2 minis. I like the minis. I don't use them as much as I should, but I do like them. Look at that! I'm so excited for this catalog, guys. If y'all don't have y'all's catalog yet, be sure to hit me an email. So I have my second batch going out Thursday. Tomorrow. Now, I also have Monster Bash enamel shapes. So let me come in with my paper piercer. What are we going to use? I think we're going to use a big black. Right there. And 2 small gray ones. Oh, I love this card. All right, so there you have it, a quick and simple Halloween card. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of these supplies, remember they're going to be available September 4th, and you can click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!